regard to the revolution in people's hearts which Muslim television India has been contributing to, how does Hazur see the future advancement of MTA in the coming years?
I think it's going to march forward by leaps and bounds. Already its rate of progress is much faster than the knowledgeable people in this field could ever expect. And that is what they have been noticing and expressing their wonder at this pace of the development of MTA, despite the paucity of our resources. When I say paucity of our resources, I am using a different language than it is understood by outsiders. When they speak of resources, they only understand resources in financial terms. They do not put into the word resources the ordinary services which are rendered all over the world by tens of thousands of MDs. And it is that part of running a television institution which is most expensive. So we do not have to spend a single penny on that. So that is why this wonderstruck at our progress. And from other points of view, I believe that technology is developing now so fast that I'm sure it will become possible in the next century for MTA to reach not only through satellite dishes. Well, satellite dishes will be essential, but not only through their counterpart on houses, antennas, etc. But I'm sure this technology is going to develop so fast that the governments will not be able to stop television services to reach homes, reach almost every home. So before that we have been granted a footing in Britain. From then on, the restrictions will be improved on granting licenses to new companies. But because we have already got that, so inshallah, I hope in the next century the spread of the message will be far wider than at the present time through MTA. Thank you. Inshallah.